यार कल मेरे बिजनेस मीटिंग का थर्ड डे है और मेरे पास सिर्फ दो ही ब्लेजर है और मैं इनको रिपीट नहीं करना चाहता।
यार इससे मुझे याद आया कि मेरी बहन भी मुझसे कह रही थी कि उसके फ्रेंड का रिसेप्शन है और उससे नए कपड़े लेने भी नहीं है और कपड़े आजकल बहुत महंगे भी है। काश ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म होता जहाँ पे हम क्विक एंड इजी कपड़े रेंट कर सके कुछ समय के लिए।
इससे मुझे याद आया, मेरे दोस्त ने मेरे को एक बार जेरेंटो के बारे में बताया था। तुझे पता है क्या क्या है?
ये Zerento, मैंने सुना है उस बारे में। सो फोक्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अ स्टार्टअप कॉल्ड Zerento। सो Zerento क्या है? Zerento इज एन ऑनलाइन क्लोथिंग रेंटल मार्केट प्लेस वेयर जहाँ पे फिजिकल शॉप्स जो रेंटिंग बिजनेस में बहुत सालों से है वो अपने कपड़े लिस्ट कर सकते हैं एंड जो नॉर्मल कंज्यूमर्स है वो घर बैठे अपने कपड़े रेंट कर सकते हैं।
वाह यार, बहुत सही है। अब तो मैं ब्लेजर वहीं से ले रहा हूँ।
सो नाउ लेट्स टेक अ डीपर लुक इनटू Zerento।
So, like we already said, Zerento is a startup that focuses on enabling the discovery of rental clothes by the local audience in need of the rental clothes from the local rental shops and also the people willing to rent out their clothes. So, let's talk about the rental clothes market in India and all over the world. So, currently the online rental marketplace is all about 10,000 crores, which is only the online market. And because it is a very unorganized market, there are not much data available on the internet. And if we talk about India, the online rental marketplace is about 1200 crores.
So now let's talk about the financial projections that we have calculated. So we are trying to achieve a KPI of one yearly turnover of 1 crore, and for that we need that on our platform each day there should be a sales of 1750, with each sale accounting for 30 rupees profit. If we try to achieve that, then there is a sure shot chance that we are going to achieve 1 crore market cap, that is our turnover.
Okay, so at Zerento, we promote circular economy and we maintain that every cloth, the lifespan of every cloth should be fulfilled with the 100% utilization. So let's take an example. So if we have a cloth, there is a lifespan attached to it. So when the cloth is between the 100 to around 80%, so you can use that cloth and rent that. So when that cloth passes a threshold of 70% or 80%, you can now sell that cloth on Zerento. And nextly, when the cloth is more degraded, you can donate that cloth to Zerento and we give them to NGOs, to the needy people. And at the end, if your cloth is not usable and not wearable, you can still give it to us and we can recycle that cloth for you. So we are maintaining a 100% utilization for the already available resources.
So we believe at Zerento that community is an important thing. We are trying to build a community through social media wherein we can collect the daily active users and monthly active users onto a single platform. For this, we are trying to expand and market our Zerento onto multiple social media platforms. So at Zerento, we are trying to build multiple presences on different social medias. So on Instagram, we have crossed nearly 272 followers and we are continuously increasing day by day. And other than that, on LinkedIn, because most of our physical shops are on LinkedIn, we are trying to grow LinkedIn. So we are nearly 400 followers and we are growing there as well. For normal consumers, we have WhatsApp channel where normal users get current updates about Zerento.
So we have cracked SEO and now we are ranking at the very top on Google search. So we have a dedicated team for all of our fields, for example tech, UI, UX, marketing, legality and a few other things.
So that was all about Zerento. घर बैठे rent करो.